see if we can figure out what our date is today. So you have had 4 home days with no school. You had Saturday, that was the 20th. Sunday was the 21st, and then you had 2 days where I got teacher work days and you stayed at home, the 22nd and the 23rd, which makes today what? When I say 23, what comes next? 24. So here is the number 24. Today is Wednesday, February the 24th, 2021, and I am feeling super duper excited. I'm gonna do this silly face for our week to come, and then I get to see you guys again because I have missed you. Now, let's figure out how many days we've been in school. To do that, same thing as always. We're gonna add our straw. That one kind of blends in with my skin, doesn't it? Okay, I'm gonna add it over into the 1 column. Let's make sure we don't have 10 in here, because if we have 10 in our ones column, we have to move it over. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we're not 10, so we're good. Let's see how many days we've been in school. Now, this big bundle we know is 100 straws. It is 10 groups of 10. That makes 100. So we don't have to count every straw or even our 10s anymore. We can just count this by 100 and then keep counting by ones to figure out how many days we've been in school. Okay, so let's count 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. All right, you've been in school for 106 days. That's awesome. Now let's build our number 106, okay? And to do that, we've got to look at how many groups of each thing we have in each column. In our 100s column, in our 10s column, and in our 1s column. All right, now how many groups of 100 do we have? Just one group of 100. So I need the number 1 right here. All right, that's great. Now how many groups of 10 do we have? 0, all right, so that's already there, we're doing good. Now let's count how many 1s we have and put that number in our 1 spot. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We just did that. Some of you may have remembered there were 6 1s. And I'm going to change this to a 6. All right, 106. Penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. Quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. All right, now I'm gonna hold up a shape. Okay, how would you describe this shape? I could say it's a 3D shape, right? It looks like it's made out of wood. It's really made out of like a foam stuff, but it's supposed to look like a wood block, right? Okay. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points or vertices, right? It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces on it. And the faces are all squares. Now when I hold a 3D or a solid shape, I have space in between my hands, right? All right, now let's look at our shapes. Ready? Hexagon, square, rectangle, circle, triangle, cone, sphere, cylinder, cube. All right, now let's go do our number of the day.